The Senate President is recognized.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you, Mr. President. Um, well, I decided to go down from the rostrum so that I can either answer or debate with any or with any interpellations from our colleagues. No? But let me just try to explain some of the points that were raised. That to me, and that is my opinion, inaccurate yung mga intindi or inaccurate yung perception in these interviews that I am, the media has been conducting with me. Ang totoo nga yan, dami ko pa nga iniiwasan na interview eh. Kukunti pa nga yun eh. Pero whenever I am asked, I come out with my opinion. You don't like my opinion, but you have to respect it. In much the same way as I respect your opinion, whatever it is. No, but when it comes to the issue of legal, there are rules to follow. So let me start with what the minority leader said as far as the Blue Ribbon Committee is concerned and the order. Malinaw sa rules natin eh. A witness cited in contempt may be ordered by detained in such a place as may be designated by the committee alone or, andun yung or eh, or with the concurrence of the Senate President by either one detention order. So it's the Senate President has the power to do that. Ngayon, nung binibigay sa akin yung binigay sa akin yung sulat para i-recommend yung witness protection program ng mga diskayas, ang feeling ko incomplete eh. Ang usapan at narinig ko ito kay Secretary of Justice. Kailangan tell all, hindi tell half. Di ba? Ang mga binabanggit, 2022 to 2025 eh. Sila number one contractor, 2016 to 2022 eh. Ba't wala dun ang kwento? Di ba? So, you cannot blame me if I do not want to immediately do that. No? And then I know for a fact, as I said in the media, I know that there is a possibility that we will change the leadership the following day. All right. Now let me continue with some of the opinions that were aired. Well, of course, yung nabanggit kanina ni Senator De La Rosa, pasensya na, baka nabigla ako at nagamit ko yung salitang gimmick, ano? Pero it could have been a wrong word that I should not have used. No? Pwede kasing opinion yun sapagkat yung publiko, yung public ang madalas kong marinig na sinagsasabi nun eh. Ano? Now, as far as I'm concerned, there's nothing illegal or out of the rules that we have done. My opinion, as aired, kung hindi nyo nagustuhan, pagpasensya nyo ako. Kung hindi nyo nagustuhan yung mga sinabi ko, na opinion ko. Pero I never mentioned names. When I said, baka na-edit, tama yung sinabi ni Senator Pangilinan. Iba yung thinking eh. Bakit iisipin nyo agad na pinapa-edit ko yung affidavit? Di ba? Hindi eh. So, and when I say those things, you should not feel alluded to. Wala naman ako binanggit na pangalan eh. Diba? And then yung tinatanong, binanggit yung tungkol sa the Blue Ribbon being a lawyer, does not have anything to do with Senator Marcoleta. It was a question by the public. It was a question even by Secretary Claire Castro or Attorney Claire Castro. The question was, di ba kailangan abogado yun? So that was asked of me. And I said, no. Nothing in the rules says so. Wala naman talaga eh. As a matter of fact, we elected Sani Alvarez as Blue Ribbon Chairman for 2 years. And he's not a lawyer. Binagdibatihan na namin nila ni Tali Gonzales yan, saka nila Ernie Maceda yan, matagal na. Ano? No. He's never a lawyer. And Sani Alvarez was not a lawyer. Oh, we even debated about it. Oh, I am very sure, 100%. Oh, anyway, so again, no, wala akong binabanggit na ganun. You should not feel alluded to when I say na kasi tinatanong nila, hindi naman daw abogado Senator Lacson. Magaling na investigador eh. Di ba? Kala niya na karaniwang mga abogado. Hindi ko sinabi si Senator Marcoleta yung abogado na yun o sino pang abogado. I never mentioned any name. I was saying, napakadaming abogado sa Pilipinas, libo-libo. So a lawyer who was not well-versed in investigation, mas gusto ko na yung investigador. That was my point. Ano ba? Why will you feel alluded to, Mr. President, if I did not mention your name? Di ba? Now, again, as far as the rules are concerned, the Senate President has the power to order his transfer. Especially in this case, na I asked the chairman of the Blue Ribbon Committee after they sent a letter, and it was done in court. It was done in the RTC 112 this morning. That was where the letter was transmitted to Attorney Valentina of the Senate Legal, who was representing the Senate in the hearing of the writ of amparo. Yun ang istorya nun. So the request was to go back to the Senate. Ay sabi ko maganda, if that is your request, because that is precisely what the members of the minority wanted. Hindi ba? So no question. O ba't may question ngayon? Nalilipat natin, binalik natin sa Senate custody. Ano? And then also, to be fair to the OSAHA, ano? Every day, they monitor wherever that person is. Kahit na nung dinala natin yung si Colonel Santos, something sa Muntinlupa, meron tayong sa Pasay City Jail, si Balad ba yun? You don't need to have an OSAA there the whole day, 24 hours. It's not necessary. The important thing is it's under the custody of a legal custody. Yun ang importante ron. So hindi kailangan nakabantay OSAA doon. Now, if you want to change the rules, then you propose an amendment to the rules na gusto niyo OSAA nakabantay kahit saan natin ilagay. Alright? Now, maraming nabanggit eh. Kaya isa-isa natin to. Pasensya na kayo. Ang Witness Protection Program, ano, ang pagkakaalam ko, magkakaroon ng immunity from criminal prosecution. So, kung natatakot sila sa kanilang security, billion-billion ng pera nila eh. Ang dami nila pwedeng bayaran security card eh. Kahit 1,000 security card kaya nila eh. Bakit kailangan ang gobyerno? Ay, galit na galit ang mga tao dahil hindi nga natin malaman kung ilan yan, kung nangyari nga yan, kung sila nga yan, hindi po ba? Kaya we were just trying to be prudent. Konting 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 hinay. Huwag yung sasabihin natin. Kaya sabi ko, ba't tayo nagmamadali? I'm not pertaining to any senator. Bakit sana do not feel alluded to if I don't mention your name. Di ba? Oh, and then state witness, there is no other direct evidence available for proper prosecution eh. So, it is not applicable to the Discayas. At saka hindi pwede sapagkat ang pananaw ng karamihan, ang pananaw ng taong bayan, sila most guilty. Ang pwede sa Witness Protection Program, yun, not the most guilty. Yun ang sinasabi ng batas. Anyway, as I said, the Senate President has the power to order the transfer. And if I have used a word that does not conform to your palate, then pagpasensya nyo. Pag ganun, pagkat karamihan ng binanggit ko, opinion ko. Kung ako ini-interview ng media, I always, as far as I'm concerned, tell the truth. Pag ang media kausap mo, kausap mo taong bayan eh. Ganun yun. Kaya iniiwasan ko na hindi ako magsabi ng totoo. Kung opinion ko hiningi, binibili ko opinion ko, hindi ko tinatago. So if you don't like my opinion, I'm sorry, Mr. President. But that's how it is. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. President.
Well, it's a pleasure of